It's summertime. Mga garlic ko ang lulusog. Kita niyo yan yung mga ano niya. Sobrang lulusog. I planted this last year. So maybe I'm going to harvest by August. This is the last garlic I plant. This is November, so maybe I can plant. I harvest fall, spring. This is my potato, baby potato. I grow them in the lusog.